good base starts with good makeup tools. Because, girl, look at my base. Sobrang smooth niya. Today, we're finally trying the Immortals Powder Puff set. So, I have two sets here. We have 3 puff here. This one, look at this. But today, we're gonna use this. This is the Immortals Powder Puff set. It has 2 puff and has this storage case, very hygienic, very travel friendly. Made siya from imported Rabisol material, so latex free, hindi irritating, and safe siya sa skin. Ang gusto ko agad is ang lambot niya pero controlled mo yung application. Tapos this black surface, super helpful kasi kita mo talaga how much product yung napipick up mo pero hindi niya ina-absorb. May elastic ribbon din, so kapit na kapit sa fingers, hindi awkward gamitin. Plus teardrop shapes, so madaling pasukin yung under eyes, gilid ng nose, wala talagang namimiss. I'm using this with foundation ngayon, slightly damp. Ang ganda kasi minimal product absorption, so yung foundation na pupunta talaga sa face, hindi sa puff. Blend lang, tap-tap, and walang streaks, walang patchy talaga. Look at that finish, ang smooth, parang skin lang, mas even, mas fresh, and hindi cakey. Good base starts with good makeup tools, cause girl, look at my base. Sobrang smooth niya, walang streak, hindi siya cakey. Your tools matters. So if you're serious about your base, honestly, your tools matters. So try to invest a good quality powder puff like this from Immortals because this will give a big difference sa makeup finish mo.